You shouldn't be here. You see, our trip was delayed because of you. It's you again, Cappy. I didn't let you come along. Why do you still insist on following me?
We told you no, Cappy. You weren't supposed to be here.
Wait, are you saying we need to leave this boat immediately?
Announcement! Request everyone to leave the cruise ship immediately.
You shouldn't be here. You see, our trip was delayed because of you.
Oh my goodness.
Cappy, I'm sorry for doubting you. Thank you for saving us. Everyone, please give Cappy's brave act a like.